in the night in my life. He said, last night, I saw last night, the one, what is the name? David. Oh, yes, David. I don't remember. Just I remember David. The account is new and the account is not active. And he said, this channel is a scammer. He said like that to me. And I read it. And then I opened the channel. And then, this is, I don't know what is happened to the people. He said to me, I'm a scammer. This channel is a scammer. Don't support him. She, he is crazy. I said to me, I'm a scammer. I'm not a scammer.